Hello guys, today we will discuss the union all and the intersection union. What is exactly they are, what will be the output from the query. So we have to see that what is exactly they are. We have already discussed about the union in the relational algebra, so both are the same thing, but we will see by the query here. So union is, first of all we have to see that the union appends the column vertically. As we have learned that in the join section, the columns are appended horizontally. We match two columns value and append their values horizontally, but it will append the values vertically. Okay guys, we will see how. Then the main points are the table should have the same number of columns and data types of corresponding attributes should be same. Here is the two main requirement of for applying the union between the two or more tables. That is, the table should have the same number of columns. The two tables should have the same number of columns. That means if it has the 3, that there should be also the 3 columns. And after that, the data types of corresponding attributes, then that means column should be same. If this column has the data type numeric or number whatever, then the corresponding attribute will have the same data type. Then if this is the second attribute and has the value has a data type character, char, varchar, whatever, then it should be that here. Okay guys, so the corresponding attribute should have the same data types. After that, matching this condition, we can go for the union of two or more tables. So let's see what is exactly union all and the intersection union are. Here is a union. Select name from employees. We have to select the name attribute from the employees. Union, making the union between the two table by select name from student. By selecting the name from student. Here we are doing the union of two tables on the basis of these values. Okay, these columns. So name column will be matched here. So in the union, what is exactly the union? It will take all the values from the name attribute first, and the value, if there is a repeated value, duplicate value, it will skip that value. All the value will be considered, but duplicate value will be skipped first of all. Okay, so what will be the output from this value? Let's see. First of all, we have to see the Jack. Okay guys, after that Smith, after that John, after that Rock, after that Paula. There is no repeated value. Okay guys, so we can write after Smith already exists, so we will not write Smith. Rock already exists, we will not write Rock. Sean, we will write Shane. So see, we write it vertically. We have not written in the corresponding horizontal way. We will write in vertical manner. Okay, after that Mathley and the Jack both already not exist, so there will be Mathley and Jack. Okay guys, this will be the output from the union query. So it will consider all the row, but duplicate value will be skipped. Okay guys, after that there is a keyword union all. So union all is same like the union, but it will consider all the duplicate values. If there is a duplicate value, it will be also written there. Okay guys, so we have skipped Smith and Rock because they are the duplicate value. So we will write Smith and the Rock. Okay guys, for the union all, because the all keyword will consider every value, either it is duplicated or not, does not matter, we will write it. Okay, after that the intersection union, that is the same as the intersect. If you don't know, the intersect is like you have this table, that is the employee table, let's consider, and this is the student table. Okay guys, this is employee table, this is student table, and this area is a common area between E and S, that is employee and S. So this is exactly called as intersect. That is a common part between two tables. So the only common part will be written here. So what is that exactly the common part? Only the Smith and Rock are the common part. Okay, so we will write only Smith and the Rock here. We will delete every data from it. It will not consider that twice the duplicate value, only the one will become here. So this is the Smith and the Rock. Okay guys, this is the intersection. In the next section, we will do the group by, having, and the exist keywords. So we will see what are they are exactly. And if these videos are helping you, so please like and share these videos and subscribe the channel, and please do follow the playlist of these videos, and its link is under the description of this video. So guys, you will not skip any videos. Thank you.